Hello friends, the new Skoda Peaq, a flagship large luxury 7-seater SUV. The car will be a production version of the Vision 7S concept. Will be built on Volkswagen Group's Modular E and Trieb's Baukasten modular platform, which is used by Audi, Seat, Skoda and Volkswagen electric vehicles. The car will be larger than the Skoda Peaq. It will have a range of approximately 645 kilometers. The new Skoda Peaq will premiere this summer, but you can already get an idea of what it will be like. Enjoy watching! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.